Welcome to the 2026 Wrap Institute area at the ISA Sign Expo in Orlando, our biggest booth we ever had. Here, we have the Never Stop Learning contest area, where we had 18 real-time wraps and gave away over $35,000 in prizes. We also debuted our Wrap Claw Machine, where people could test their cutting skills and get a free token. It was a huge hit. And last but not least, the Demo Depot. This year's area was double the size it was in 2025, and for good reason. The waiting list was longer than the spots available all 3 days.
Welcome to the Demo Depot, the land of opportunity in the rap industry. Here you can find more than 40 different types of vinyl, and you can be hands-on and try it on doors. You can try it on cars, recessed area doors, and all with the help of our trainers, so you can get the best out of it. If you never touch a specific material, it's the opportunity now to be hands-on and test drive it. What you guys doing?
She's practicing her trimming.
That's good. That's good.
I've actually been coming for years. This is her first time.
First time. Yeah, I've actually learned a lot. It's only been a couple minutes, but I've learned a lot.
Don't forget your heat gun. Stop here.
Okay.
Okay. Always in circle.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
This is my first time doing this, and I'm trying to learn a little bit of this. I'm trying to learn about wrapping and commercial wrapping. I follow you on YouTube, and so far I've been learning a lot.
We did a fender with my coworker Bianca. She's first time ever touching film. And then she also did half this hood. First time ever touching film. She did all the trimming and all the squeegeeing. She learned how to do the palm technique, and everything was great.
So my name is Gary Frady. I work at Martin Signs in Cookeville, Tennessee. I'm more of an install side, but something that I've grown interest to is trying to help with vinyls and doing wraps and stuff. We mainly do like transit vehicles and semi-trailers and stuff like that, but if we can get somebody like me trained up, I think the sky's the limit for any of us out there, so I was super nervous about it. But you guys have awesome instructors here. He's been extremely patient with me. So what we did was we started in the middle here, and we worked our way to where we got it to where the term looked like glass. And so after we got the middle set and we made sure all the bubbles were out of it, we worked our way gradually to this ridge. We made sure we didn't have any bubbles here, and we used our palm glove and our squeegee. Just kind of got to the peak of this grade right here, and we put a little bit more heat to it. And we pulled the tension out to make sure that there wasn't any common wrinkles in there, any serious things. And we just slowly worked our way with our palm glove and our squeegee and a little bit of heat. And we just a little bit at a time and just working, being patient. And
so that was your first time, and you remember all these steps?
Yeah.
And you're like, a trainer now? Is that?
Yeah. I don't know if I'm that point, but this is something I'm really interested for it. But it's just the teachers here, man. The guys that are instructing are like super helpful. I would suggest anybody and everybody to come here, man. It's super cool environment. It's really nice. This is actually the same material that we use at our shop all the way in Tennessee. So not only am I getting to be hands-on with material for the first time, but I'm actually getting to use stuff that applies in my everyday life that I'll get to use as well. Yeah, I'd recommend 10 out of 10. Everybody come here and get this thing going. So
they must come and they must learn. This is a really good experience, hands-on. You can choose different platforms that you want to work on, different materials as well, different brands as well. So that's very good. I'm a graphic designer. I'm an art director. I do work for my own company, Tacto HD Printing in Boca Raton, Florida. He's my little one. He's the best helper I have. He loves to rap. He was wrapping his own truck little early today, and I got my wife, who's my partner, and my older son over there.
All right, so it's a family business.
It's a family business. We've been following you guys on Instagram, and we've been doing different events as well. So we are just on track of you guys, and we knew you will be here. Actually, I just get so good tips about how to wrap commercial. That's what we must do, commercial wrapping. And I get today a very, very good advice from one of your team members. You work first from the channels, then you go with the rest. And it's working very well, as you can see.
It's very rewarding showing new people the tricks, and once they get that aha moment of, oh, okay, that's the way it's supposed to go.
what is the most common question people come to you and say, hey, Nash, help me?
Corners. Corners have been a common one. How do I get my corners looking good? How do I get them so there's no wrinkles on there? How do I trim them? It's been a lot of fun working with all the different experience levels. You know, you get some people never touched vinyl before. You get other people that are experienced, and just showing them cool little tricks and tips to improve their install skills. And it's fun having all the different materials here, getting to play with a little bit of everything. So
He took the time to give some tips and how to, what to, and now we're asking him a million questions. And I mean, I've been coming to this show for several years, and we always watch and walk by. And this year we said, let's try it. We had a little bit of experience, and now we're more intrigued by it. And we have a Sprinter truck at home that we may experiment on and see where it takes us.
This is my second show, so I was really excited to come. I get to find new vendors, new products, and get to try things and put them in your hands. That makes a lot of difference. This is a great place to get a lot of knowledge jammed into one quick session, couple of days, and you've got a lot of educational sessions you can join in, free talks, free experiences. You can't go wrong. This is my first hood I've ever attempted. With help, I think it's going pretty good. I don't know if I were on my own that it would go as well.
And were the trainers here helpful for you?
Oh gosh, super knowledgeable, very skilled. I'm kind of in awe. They have all the tips and tricks that everybody needs to know in the field.
Luis Eduardo, he's from Spain. He is the best teacher, the best person. He explains everything really good, and he is too professional. Yeah, I'm just starting, and I'm interested in learn how to do wrap for cars, or maybe for design, interior design. So this is the perfect place to come to see all the materials and, you know.
What material are you guys testing now?
This is the general formulations. I don't know the number.
Have you used it before?
It's our first time ever. We're usually, Avery or 3M type of deal, but, it's good to see what else is out there. My name's Ben. We're a wrap shop, out of a wrap shop out of Indianapolis called Wrap House Graphics. We're a father-son business. My dad, Jay.
This is our main stop.
Yeah.
If nothing else happens, we're going to be in this spot.
Yeah.
So we love it.
The Wrap Institute just gave away over $30,000 in prizes during the 2026 Never Stop Learning Contest. And what we did is we wrapped an object in a very professional way, and all someone had to do was guess how long it took to wrap.
So, Tim, you're watching those guys wrapping the floor. How long do you think it's going to take them?
Well, I did show up late. Are we talking the whole floor?
Like just 3 panels?
Just the 3 panels? I'm going to say 13 minutes.
That's very good. So you know that before every demo, you can go on the Wrap Institute YouTube channel and sign up for your guests to be valid, and you can win up to $1,500.
I'm going to do that right now. Sounds like a great idea.
You better.
Every day with different guesses?
Every day, 8 times a day.
8 times a day. So I'm going to stay right here then.
This is the Wrap Institute. That's what we do. $35,000 worth in prizes. So that's what we do. How long do you think it's gonna take them to wrap this floor?
Total time is 16 minutes and 28 seconds.
Wow, that's very precise. Did you sign up for the guests so you can win the prize?
I did not, no. Because I would feel bad if I won and then I'm presenting later today. It would look rigged.
Which one are you presenting later? Tech Wrap. Okay, that's cool, man. How long do you think it's gonna take them to finish the floor wrap?
I have no idea. Probably 5 more minutes.
Less than 5 minutes.
I think it's gonna take 5 minutes.
Say not more than 3 to 4 minutes.
25 minutes.
Less than 15, 20 minutes? 5 minutes.
5 minutes is, most people think it's 5 minutes. It's like clients, right? The thing is that, like clients said, it's just a sticker. Oh.
12 minutes and 39 seconds.
Looking at the installation now, how long do you think it takes Justin to finish this door?
To finish the door without talking, 20 minutes.
Easy, 15 minutes.
The door?
Yes.
6 minutes.
I put 10 minutes in the live. So if you guys are not live, go live right now.
Thank you.
16 minutes.
Maybe 15 minutes.
I'll say about 18 minutes.
15 minutes. Thank you. You can win a prize if you type your comment on the YouTube. You did?
Yes, sir.
So we got 22 minutes and 24 seconds on this round.
So it is so interactive. A lot of games, or they show you what they do, how the machines works, and you know it's really nice.
We had been to another event in the past in Atlanta and knew about the sign and the wrapping industry, but never got into it in the past because didn't have the facility for it. Now that we have the shop for it, now we're looking at getting into this market.
And when you sign up to be here, what was your main goal? What did you want to learn or to see here?
The different films, the printers, and also the techniques on how to do it and do it right. Actually, the guy was over showing my son how to put this on. He spent lots of time with him, getting all the nooks and crannies, making sure they're perfect. Yeah, just really was very educational. If you're in the sign industry or wanting to get into this business, yeah, come to this show.
It's something definitely to come out and check out and have a feel for it. It's completely different compared to dance floor wraps and wrapping stages.
Dance floor wraps?
Yeah, I do dance floor wraps. We do it for parties, bar mitzvahs, weddings. And I was interested because I plan on transitioning to learn something new as far as dealing with wraps. Since I've been doing dance floor wraps for about 4 years. So now I want to add something else, whether it's going to be cars or actually doing like furniture or stuff like that. Because you know with the cars, you got the different curves and stuff like that. Yeah. With furniture, the rectangle, square, possibly round, but you can still, it's a lot more easy to install.
Amazing, like every year, just amazing. It's a great experience to come learn, you know. I guess people are in the same field, you know. Yeah, always a good experience, man. I think I missed out last year, but we did, yeah, basically every ISA. I recommend anyone coming. You're looking to learn, get into the field, feel some materials out.
And what do you like the most when you come to ISA? What you cannot miss?
To be honest, coming here, competing, winning some prizes.
Here is the crowded area on our booth. It's the cutting challenge that gives you an opportunity to get a chance to play on the claw machine. And I'm here with Garrett. He's gonna play the game, and Alex will tell us how it works.
Okay, so the goal here is to not cut the Lamborghini, right? So you have to cut each line. There's 6 lines, and the goal is to score the film, cut the film without bigging the plate. So it's like a game of operation. You don't want to hear that. Most important thing is you don't want to peak the blade. Keep it nice and even, right? Don't use it like a pen or a pencil. You want to just kind of go here and guide it on back, all right? All right, let's see how you do.
So now we have to check if you actually cut the material through, right?
Let's see, 1. Okay, we got 1.
I'm not trying.
2's a little tough. 3 is good. 4 is good. 5, 6, good job. No bings.
Congratulations. So now you're able to have a free trial on the Wrap Claw Machine. Let's see if you can get a nice prize. There he is.
Lift up, yep, and start over again. And again, you don't even have to go around those.
Garrett, good luck next time. I appreciate you. So Brian, it seems you played many times in the claw machine and you got a lot of prizes. Can you tell us your experience with that?
I probably put $20 in and I paid for my whole trip.
Okay,
So,
what did you get?
I got the General Formulations wrap kit and discount on training. The Arlon Master of the Wrap training, 3-day training, the $500 Fellers gift card, and a Tech Wrap PPF roll.
I just won a General Formulations Automark
wrap kit and some discounts on certifications that I plan on doing very soon.
A heat gun, and we want a mystery bag from Yellow Tools.
Won me some banana buffers, and we'll be sticking some more dollars in there and see what we can get next.
I apparently won a smelling squeegee.
On the Yellow Tools mystery.
Oh, nice.
Pretty stoked. My name's Jim, and I'm production. We do vehicle graphics, we do some wraps, but you know, window lettering and stuff like that. You know, all kinds of murals. It's really cool getting my hands on with it, and then you know, you guys walking around and kind of giving tips and tricks has been super helpful.
Do you know about the Rep Institute? Are you a member?
Yes, I am. All the videos, the countless videos, just informative. Like it's just, and then Justin had one where basically how to save your body. That was one I really liked. You know, taking the time, get a mat, put it down, so you're not busting up your knees and all that stuff. Yep, and that's what I like about it. That's what I love about the Rap Institute.
It's so cheap for so much information, and now they've added the live sessions and town hall stuff. It's been great. Yeah, totally worth the money, every penny.
The Rap Institute has been our training source from day one. I mean, essentially, when we get a new installer, they watch your cleaning overview as a requirement, you know, because that's where they start. So slowly but surely, we let them see more and more videos. We make sure they see the approach that Justin and your team takes. It's been perfect.
Joining the Rap Institute, it's a great tool to further your education and stay up to date on all the tips and tricks.
And he wasn't paid to say that. Okay, I promise. But I pay you later, don't worry.
When I first started getting into vinyl wrap, it was a decision like, oh, this is a new emerging industry. I saw the rate of growth was like 18% per year, and so I found the Rap Institute had a fantastic presence online, and that's when I started to follow them and then subscribe as a member. As I got better, I used the learning and the videos themselves as I was wrapping cars, because when I got stuck into whether a really complex bumper, I would try to find a vehicle in their library, like, okay, this one's close to what my vehicle I'm currently working on, and then we kind of do a play-by-play in order to like, okay, let me try this technique that Justin's currently doing, and so it's been fundamental in order for me to start my shop. So I've been a member of the Rap Institute for several years now, and I've been to the ISA show. I've been coming here for the past 4 years in different cities, Las Vegas and Orlando, probably my third time here. So that's when I knew you guys were coming in town. I always have to come. The Demo Depot is really incredible because I've been able to work with films that I haven't tested out yet, because with the color change PPF, that's something that I've always wanted to get my hands on and try out with, but might have not wanted to invest in a full roll just to play around with. So that's one thing that's really, really fun to really try out new materials, and especially seeing different vendors to see what tools are really available that make the whole installation process easier. Need for any vendor to come by from an installer standpoint, learn new skills, corner tricks, and just work with different material. Highly recommend.
It's my first time here, and I just absolutely love this experience, and I recommend to every people that it's one start into this world to come here and check this beautiful place and beautiful people here around.
I've always been a do-it-yourselfer type of person. I like figuring things out. Keep wrapping, keep practicing, get a nice roll of film, and then just start playing with stuff. Wrap your fridge, wrap your whatever, and start figuring it out. Maybe go to sleep with the squeegee, just hold it on. No, I'm joking.
And that is a wrap. The 2026 Never Stop Learning Contest and Demo Depot is all done. And this year has been our best booth ever. Thanks to our staff, thanks to our sponsors, and of course the support from ISA. Absolutely amazing. So I can't wait to see you guys next year at the 2027 event in Las Vegas. Ciao.